Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you why you should replace matcha tea with your coffee. Okay, matcha tea is a super concentrated green tea beverage, and they use the entire leaf, they grind it up, so it would be the equivalent of consuming 10 cups of green tea, but with only half the caffeine of black coffee, and like 31 milligrams. And that would, like, some coffee has like 300 milligrams, so it's pretty low. And plus it has something called L-theanine, which is an amino acid that's very calming. So this beverage will not make you feel jittery, it'll make you feel calm, it'll give you way more energy than coffee, mental clarity, endurance, plus it has 137 times the phytonutrients. It's just 1 cup of green tea. So it's a kind of a green tea on steroids. It's very, very healthy. You might want to try it out. It's also good to decrease inflammation and support your immune system. And one more point, when you come off coffee, a lot of times people get headaches and they have withdrawal symptoms. Well, if you transition to matcha tea with the amount of caffeine, you really won't have any of those side effects at all. So go ahead and try it and let me know how you like it. Hey, I appreciate your attention, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely keep you updated on future events, live events, and webinars that we're going to do very soon.